Our next video is about mathematics. In this video, you will learn how to add or do the addition. The addition is also called plus or add or combine the items. Let us learn together and we will guide you and teach you how to do the addition. Now let us proceed to some examples. For more educational videos and online tutorials, please visit our website at www.selfquiz.org. Please do not forget to follow and subscribe to our channel. Before we start with some examples, let us familiarize mathematics signs, for us to understand, and read mathematics signs. This is equal sign, or we can read this as equals. This is plus sign, or we can read this as addition sign. Let us do some quick review. What sign or symbol is this? Plus. What sign or symbol is this? Equals. Now that we know the basic signs and symbols, let us do an example. 1 red ball plus 1 blue ball. How many all balls are they? We will simply move all the balls after the equal sign for us to know all the balls. The answer is, there are 2 balls. Let us try another example. 1 star plus 2 stars equals, how many stars? Again, let us move all stars after the equal sign. Let us count them one by one. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 stars. Let us try another example. 2 hearts plus 1 heart equals? How many hearts in total? Now, let us add them together. Let us count one by one the hearts. 1, 2, plus 1 equals. We will move all the hearts after the equal sign. Let us count one by one the hearts. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 hearts in total. For more educational videos and online tutorials, please visit our website at www.selfquiz.org. Please do not forget to follow and subscribe to our channel.